Welcome back to another video, guys. We have a couple different people here today with us. We have come back to the reservoir. It is Big Creek Reservoir, and it is in Newport. If you guys do want to check it out, I usually don't tell everybody, but it's a big enough place. It's kind of far away from town and whatnot. But we're hoping to absolutely smash it here today. There's gonna be 4 of us trying to fish in this little place. So come along with us and see how many we get today. And don't forget to subscribe and smash the like button if you guys like the video. And trying to get to 100 by my birthday. It's in June. Don't forget. But yep. Fishy, fishy. Let's go. All right. Dunk it 4 times. And get it on out there before all the ladies get here. You know, gotta get the edge somehow. Women always beat you fishing, so. But here they all come. So my advantage is over already. So I told them, I gotta get advantage from you guys. Let's get this out. All right, get back at you guys when we get a fish. Fish on. Yeah, I just threw everything. You do. Fish on. I haven't even got my second pull out. Oh, yeah. 0 for 0. Watch out. All this is... Get a little buddy. I had to run to the car to go get my other bait, but... Boom. First fish of the day. Ladies haven't got out. Well, we got out, but... The little guy... Get him on my stringer. I'm gonna beat the girls today, damn it. All right, I got smaller hooks for you. You want them? I'm hoping I can let this one go. I'm gonna be done fishing in 5 minutes, you guys. Oh no, get away. You can catch I know. I still haven't got the other one off my hook yet, if that makes sense. If that isn't saying anything right now, this is rare. Okay, well, 2 fish down. Let's try to get the other one off too. So, I mean, I wouldn't technically call that a double up, but here we go. All right, we got everybody in here, and we are packed in like sardines. Well, we got 2, 4, 6. We got 8 poles going. So, hopefully we can all limit out today and score some fish. Hi, Punchy. Fishy, fishy. Damn it. Get anything? Ooh, tippity tap tap. Oh, I got a bite. I think I swung and a miss. First swing and a miss. That's all right. I gotta swing and a miss sometimes. Get some more bait out. I think my other pole's getting tapped too right now. Oh, bait's still there. All right, the little bit of dirt. The little bit of dirt, man. Still ain't got dirt on my bait. It worked. All right, come back at you when we get a bite. I got glitter, sparkle, rainbow, and then I got what is that? Garlic.
Not in the power balls?
Not in the power balls, just power bait here for some reason. You had one. Didn't know it. Yeah, they're tiny, man. This little guy, I think it swallowed it though, right?
Don't
yeah.
Fight it.
Don't fight it.
I should switch.
Are you gonna put it on a stringer?
Yeah, I have one.
All right. Well, we'll get that on the stringer and get back to you guys when we get on fish. They'll get on the board, promise. Fish on. Ooh, this. It feels better, but these little guys fight pretty good. I don't know, maybe this is a good one. Where are you going, though? See, I'm coming all up into you. Now I'm going back. Oh, you in my line, or I got another one? Yeah, I'm wrapped. Oh boy. Messy me, here I come. Okay.
You have another bite.
Come on, Punchy's got one. And my stuff is just tangled over there. Oh my gosh, no. My fish is wrapped around my whole other pole. Wow, you were way out there. It's a nice one. Nice. All right, Punchy's on the board. Babe, you'll get there. You're next, hon. Okay? All right, let me get my bajangle out of the way here. Let's see. I got this. I don't know if you can see it, but I'm all wrapped up. So, I'll be back shortly. Well, I'm getting a bite. So, we're in a mess. Damn it. Well, I'll probably have to put more bait on. Yeah, they did. Yeah, we did. Get out of here. It's our spot. Just kidding. We'll share if there's room. I mean, what I didn't get? I had it on, and I just lost it again. How do you do that? Professional amateur. That's how you do that. Your hook is a tad bit too small. Pretty sure I caught more fish than you already. Okay. Okay, that has nothing to do with a hook. That has to do with damn well me, and you know it. Get out of here talking to me like that. Fish on. Yep. Well, you want to move my pole for me, so I don't do this again? Thank you. Yeah. I'm always needing help somewhere. Oh, it got off. Right at the peg. That's okay, because I wanted to let you go anyways. Fish on. Thanks, B. Alright, well, my GoPro messed up, and Babe finally got her first one on.
Actually, nice size.
Yeah, that's not bad. Congrats, Babe. Good job. Damn GoPro. Fish on. Alright, Pudge. Oh man, it's just gorgeous out today. Yeah. That's a nice one. Alright, fish on. Yeah. Alright, we'll get it on stringer. Get back to you guys. Oh, I was getting a bite. Yep. B, I don't want to hear from you, man. Yeah, I swung and missed again. Leave me alone. She's laughing at me. Babe got her knot out of her pole. Good job, honey. This is good. It was a good day. Did you swing and miss too?
Yep.
Oh, okay. See what happens when you make fun of somebody?
Yeah.
Okay.
Karma.
Yeah, karma. She's a bitch. I mean, sorry, Mom. Getting a bite.
I know they don't like take everything back that now.
Fish on. I might have lost it though.
That's the same.
Yeah. Oh, it's the same fish. Yeah. She's a nasty one, isn't she? She don't want to be caught, but she sure is hungry. Well, gotta get more bait. Yeah. Fish on. Fish on. I just had one tap in that pole, and then it decided to switch to this one. Come on, buddy. Get over here. Stay away from there. Oh, that's a nice one. Landed her. Alright, I'm gonna see if I can get her off the hook and let her go. Well, I just got that one off. It broke my hook off, so gotta keep that one. See if I can get this one off. Swallowed it too. Son of a jerk. I'm gonna try to get this one off though. Well, I ended up getting that one back in the water. The other one broke my line off, so Just put a little piece, plop it on. This is the garlic scent that I'm using. And like I said, dunk it 4 times. And then, bam, it's just been working today. You got one? Oh, I just had a bite too. Hold on, I'm coming. All right, switch poles. Nice. Bigger jump. All right, well, we'll see if we can get her off and get her back in the water.
That was on a worm.
Nice, babe did it on the worm.
Oh yeah, right on the lip. Look at that.
Sweet, let's get her off then. Yeah, well, she ain't going nowhere. Later, buddy. Fish on. Me and Punchy traded spots. She said it wasn't working here. Well, I said, okay. So. Yeah, thank you, Punchy. And it's right on the lip. It's gorgeous, too. I almost hate it worse when it's on the lip. Ow.
That's what I'm thinking now.
All right, bud. Go that way. There you go. All right. Swing and a miss. John, go punch. Let me put my pole down. All right. Is it a good one or a little guy again? Not just a little guy. Woo! Horseman, horseman! That's not a bad size, huh? No. Looks like he swallowed it, but we're going to try to get it off the hook and release it. Hey, little buddy. Later, little guy. I don't know if you actually got that, but we did release him. No, you're good, Punchy. No bite again. We switched spots. Just saying. And I keep getting snagged in hers. So I'm going to make a new leader line. It's gone? All right. We're getting bites all the way around, man. All right. Got you hooked up. Would you get that on the, oh. Yeah. The green eggs, the lemon lime eggs. All right. Nice, V. Those are your go-to, though, everywhere. Yeah. Nice. You've got to be kidding me. I have a fish.
It stayed on.
Oh my God. So, yeah, I wish I would have had that all on film. Oh my.
The one time you didn't film it.
Yeah, the one time I didn't film it. Thanks, V. You're really supportive. I feel it. Well, we'll get this one off and hopefully get it back in the water. Whoa, buddy. Now I'm all a mess. It's on. Looks like a better one, too. Nope.
I barely dropped that in here.
Yeah. That rainbow nugget, hey?
Yeah.
That works. Both of yours are working right now. That's good.
I'm not going to throw this fish back in. It's going to die on me. Even though it's
Ooh.
on the head, it's on the lip, too.
Right. Don't squeeze it so hard. All right. I think that one's good.
This one will live.
Yeah.
You
You
will live, buddy.
will live, buddy.
Yeah.
Bye, buddy. Fish on.
Yeah?
Yep, fish on. I think you got one going. Squeak, squeak, squeak. My nice old reels. Oh. Yeah, thanks, bro. God, they're so crazy fighters. Horse it on up. All right, we'll get this one off and back in the water. Later, buddy. So many fish. I can't even tell you how many fish we've caught. I've lost track. Fish on right as I was trying to reel the slack up. Nailed it. Man. Fishy. Let's see. Please not be swallowed. Arr. Yes. Come right off. Okay, come here. God, they're so squirmy. Come on, buddy. Let's go. There you go, buddy. Fish on. Got some finicky fish over here. They're biting through the poles right now. Yeah. Ooh. Come here, buddy. Let's get you off the hook. Woo! That was really early. Alright, well, I'll get it off the hook and get it back in. Trout in the lake. Back in you go, buddy. He didn't know which way to go. It is lunchtime. Hot dog time. She just let that one go until she finished her hot dog. Oh, bye, buddy. Have a nice day. I mean, you landed it. Yeah, technically. Technicalities. Fish on. Fishy on. Ooh, this is a good one. Take it off. All right, we'll get this one on and back out. Buddy, there you go. Fish on, V's going biting, babe's chilling. Love you, babe. Nice. No, V, get out of here, V. Nice. We'll get that off. Fish on.
I didn't want it.
Yeah, just psych.
No. Yeah, it's still there.
Yeah. Nice.
15 times, guys.
Yeah. Well, we're all just getting bites again. All right, babe, with what? You got two?
Oh, this is number 3.
Okay. It's smaller than mine. Well, we're going to try to get it off the hook and get it back in. Man, today has been an absolutely crazy day. I can't even keep up with everyone's pull right now, so this is fun. So if you guys are ever in Newport and find the reservoir, hit it up, man. It's not bad. They did recently stock it, so it's not always like this, but it's not bad. It's not bad on the weekends either. This is not the weekend, but we have come on the weekend and done just as well. We'll get back at you guys when we catch more fish. Thought she was getting a bite. Sometimes you can't tell with how small they are. Yeah.
It's on, but it's a tiny one.
Yeah. Oh, it just got windy. Oh, I'm getting a bite. Unless you're in my line. All right, Butchie got hers up. And I was just getting a bite. Yeah.
The only one Punchy doesn't like touching or sturgeon.
Which is funny to me because I don't have teeth. Well, we'll get back at you. Will. There you go, buddy.
There's that.
Well, go the other way.
Waiting for the camera to turn on.
We'll listen. Listen here, guys. Fish on. It's probably number 20 for the day. Oh, man. Just crushing it. Boat swing it. All right, well, we'll get this off and get it out. Punchy's getting a bite. Fish on for Punchy. Let me get this released. There you go, little buddy. No. Punchy's on the fish.
Unless it's swimming towards
Oh,
Oh,
no, it's still on. Yeah. Come on, be a bigger one. Make her jump, Punchy. All right, this spot is crushing it. Oh, sorry. My pole. All right, right on the lip. We'll get this one off and get it out. You think you can do it now?
I think so.
All right.
Let's hope so. There we go.
Bye, little fella. Fish on. Nice job, eh? I didn't even notice. Hobbs.
See how the Punchy's
Make her jump. Nice.
You're gonna
Double up. Double
Oh,
up.
it's tapping over here too.
Yeah.
nice.
All right. All right. We'll get these off and get them on the stringer. Fish on. Another one bites the dust. Another one bites the dust. Man, today has just been bonkers. Well, he unhooked himself. Come here, little buddy. Woo! Nice little guy. Back in you go. Later, buddy. That was the best ever, honey. Fish on. Ooh. Alright, nice one. Well, Babe will probably put that one on the stringer. She's got 2, I think. I got 4. Babe's got 3. Punchy got 2. V, how many you got over there?
2 on there.
2. So that's how many we've kept so far. We've let a lot go, obs. But we'll get back at you when we get another one. On.
Double up.
I gotta double up right now. Hold on. It's probably still there. Alright, I gotta double up. Alright. Yep, I gotta double up. Alright. Yep. Alright. Double up. I think I'm gonna end the video on this double up. 2 double ups for the day. This guy swallowed it. I'm gonna cut the hook on this one so we can get him back. And then I'm gonna keep the other one so I limit out. So if you guys enjoyed the video, smash the like button, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll catch you guys next time.